Hi, I'm Natalie Rogers with Tat Your Own Adventure, and today I'm going to show you how to make a crescent moon split ring. So I'm going to put probably 25 stitches in on my normal ring side of my split ring. There's 15, I'll do 10 more here. That was not the right half. 1 second. You retro tap. It's 23. 24, 25. Okay. And I'm going to give myself a little more room in my ring before I switch holds. And to do the crescent half of it, I'm going to do direct tatting on here, but instead of direct tatting to this side like you normally would on a split ring, I'm going to direct tat to this side. And when you're getting that first stitch in there, it's going to have a tendency to want to flip back to the other side. It's okay, at the end you can flip it back to the side that we actually want it on. I'm using a Papa bobbin as my shuttle. Really, a shuttle's only there to get lots and lots of thread through at once. So you can use just about anything as a shuttle. Right now, it's looking like I'm still going to the outside, which is fine because I did reverse order. So my full stitches are on the back side of it right now. So when I turn it back around, it's going to have the stitches facing the way that I want so that the front side of my crescent moon is not the right stitch. Front side of my crescent moon will have stitches facing all the same way, and the caps are all going to end up facing to the left with the curve of the crescent moon. So I can actually turn these now to kind of show you what I mean. So turn to that side, I have my full stitches. Let me see which stitch I was on. I'm going to do 10 to 15 stitches for the inside curve. The inside curve should be smaller than the outside curve to get you a crescent shape. I have 7 stitches right now. every time I talk I get distracted and forget which one I'm on. So there we go. Okay, turn them again so they're facing the way I want them to. And you can see how it's starting to form that inner curve. I think I will do 5 more. Maybe 6, get me to 15. Got 13 right now. Let's see how that one looks. Yeah, I'll do 2 more. Okay, then I'm going to make sure that they are flipped before I start to close, so that when I close it, I've got the front sides of both in my pinch to help prevent anything from flipping to the wrong direction and help shape my crescent moon, so that I'm lightly holding all of my stitches so that I can pull my split ring closed. And there you have it. There we go. Nice little crescent moon shaped split ring.